man, I'm so hungry. I feel like having something to eat. Well, let me go to the kitchen. Let me see what's in the fridge. No. 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 Ooh. Ooh. No. What's these end of the fridge? All the drinks. You know, there's nothing. Let's get something from the top. I feel like having like this. Let me put those tortillas in here if I'm right. But first, let me plug in. I'll be right back. Uno, dos, tres, taco, tinto, ito. Okay, 400 degrees and 26 minutes. It's not gonna burn. Well, to that's cooking, I can drink my drink. I was gonna try to. That was good. "25 minutes later." Oh, what? I forgot my seat. Oh shoot, it's probably popping. Let me check it. Oh, maybe I burned it. Let's eat. Well, delicious.